Hi everyone, this is Dov Hershkovitz. I'm here with Sonjun Park, and this is 16.5 pipeline authoring kickoff video. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. As you can see, we do have a planning issue number 104 underneath the pipeline authoring group. The goals of this milestone, very similar to the goals of the previous milestone. We still have some vulnerability issues that we need to work on. We had, I think, around 4 issues in the last milestone, and we've completed 2, and we have 2 more. There are a number of customer requests that we would like to implement as well. And then the second priority will be basically we'll continue to work on the CI/CD catalog restructure component. And as a reminder, in this epic, we are going to change the folder structure of the component, that it would be similar to the typical templates that our users are using. This would definitely help user move from or migrate from templates to components. And with that, as a part of this epic, is the design for the CI/CD catalog detail page. And we are going to design the detail page in a way that we are going to show some metadata information automatically out of the box. So we'll have like a component tab. This is a new tab that we are adding. And in this tab, we'll have a table. And also this table will be created automatically, which will list the inputs parameters that each template needs to have. And more information like what is the default value and if it's a mandatory or not. And we also have some sort of a graph to allow user to navigate easily and see the information about each individual component that is part of the repository. With this improvement, users could easily understand how to use the template or the components, what are the inputs parameter, how to use it, and more. And I think once we'll complete this epic, we'll be able to move components from experimental to beta. And the third priority is continue to work on the input enhancement. As a reminder, inputs are the preferred way to pass parameters to a component, and would like to enhance their capability furthermore. And you can see we have a full-blown epic. Inputs, by the way, are in beta. We still have like 1 more issue to complete. Once we complete it, hopefully in this milestone, we'll be able to move inputs from beta to GA. And as always, if you want to see the full scope of this milestone, you can scroll and look at the table. With that, I'm going to hand it over to Sonjun, and Sonjun is going to talk about the scope of work for UX.
Yeah, thanks, Dov. So I'm going to share my screen. I think it's this one. Okay, so this is the right window. Whew. So first of all, I'm going to finalize the journey map that I shared with you also in the last kickoff meeting. So I just shared the journey map here quickly. I'm not going through the details for now, but like this is the journey map and then the quick competitor evaluation that I did before. And then there are some ideation that came out from this journey map exercise. So we can kind of walk through that with the whole team, and then we can review and see what's the next items for us based on this design activity. So that will be finalized in 16.5. And the other things that was another journey map that is just focusing on the release flow. So we now currently have a releasing flow that let users to go into the project settings, and I like to revisit if this UX is okay to go or not. So you can expect another journey map, which is already in progress. So you can still check the link, what's happening there. And the other piece that I want to do is, so this POC came out a while ago, and seems like we're ready to implement from the technical perspective. So I need to kind of finalize for the spec for the design, and I can do a quick user validation within 16.5. Do you want to add anything else from the UX perspective?
No, I think that the solution validation could really showcase the capability or the improvement that we can provide to our users. And yeah, I think we are in good progress there as well.
Yeah, thanks. That's it from my side. And then we have also another team-wise, so section-wise active UX research efforts going on. So you can also check the link here below and check what's happening there. Yeah, that's all from me. I'll stop sharing.
Yes, and I think this is it for now. And as always, if there are any questions or concerns or questions, you can reach out. Thanks, everyone, and bye-bye.
Thanks.